So RTI Act was launched in 2005 under the impact of an NGO known as Mazdoor Kisan Sangathan. So there is an important organization मजदूर किसान शक्ति संगठन, मजदूर किसान शक्ति संगठन. तो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का नाम है मजदूर किसान शक्ति संगठन. तो RTI Act was launched in 2005 on the initiative of Mazdoor Kisan Shakti Sangathan, which was an NGO. So any citizen can ask for information from any public office, or should be public office. It's a citizen rights of information, and information must be provided within 30 days. So right to information is part of both Article 19 and 21. So RTI promotes transparency and accountability, and that leads to good governance. And good governance means that it will to decrease corruption, increase trust, and citizen empowerment, and better feedback to citizen. Better feedback to citizen. सिटीजन एम्पावरमेंट कैसे कर सकते हैं? क्योंकि आरटीआई एम्पावर यू टू डू सोशल ऑडिट. विदाउट इन्फॉर्मेशन यू कैन नॉट डू सोशल ऑडिट. तो ऐसे ही सोशल ऑडिट. तो ऑफिशियल सीक्रेट एक्ट्स वर यूज्ड बाय द गवर्नमेंट टू हिंडर द ट्रांसफर ऑफ इन्फॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम गवर्नमेंट टू पब्लिक. So mainly a section 2 subclause 8 that they can classify any project as official project. So they can classify any place as prohibitory place under section 2 subclause 8. So classification of secret under the Official Secret Act is very wide. The public authority can classify anything under Official Secret Act. So when the RTI Act, if there is a conflict between RTI Act and Official Secret Act, the RTI will prevail over Official Secret Act is given in the RTI Act. So if it is in the public interest, that can be rebel. So if there is a conflict, then more preference will be given to the RTI. It is under the section 8 subclause 2 of RTI Act. It is a Official Secret Act is a colonial and must be repealed according suggested by second ARC. Official Secret Act must be repealed, and it is inhibiting the transfer of information from the government to public. So there is a dilemma of security versus transparency. Suppose there is information that can be detrimental to the security of the country. So there is always a dilemma between secrecy versus transparency. Then there is a section 7 of the RTI Act. If a lot of information asked and will require a lot of government resource to gather the information, then the information can be denied. तो इसको भी मिसयूज़ किया जाता है, क्योंकि एक आपने बहुत सारी फाइल्स मांग ली तो इधर से कलेक्ट करो उधर से कलेक्ट करो, तो रिक्वायर लॉट ऑफ गवर्नमेंट रिसोर्सेज. तो दैट थिंग कैन बी रिफ्यूज्ड. The demand can be denied under the section 7 of the RTI Act. So section 24 says that you cannot demand information from RAW and IPI, intelligence agency. And section 11 भी होता है. So section 11 बोल सकता है you cannot ask for third party information. You cannot ask for TPI, that is third party information. So these are the sections used by the government, section 7, section 24, section 11, to hide behind the curtain of RTI. So section 4 बोलता है there should be PD of information, proactive disclosure of information. The step is taken by Rajasthan for the proactive disclosure of the information. Section 4 of the RTI Act. So there is a Jan सूचना portal. किसका? राजस्थान का Jan सूचना portal of Rajasthan government. The proactive disclosure of information under the section 4 of the RTI Act. So there are around 2.18 lakh cases pending, various RTI cases pending at various level. So 2.18 lakh cases of the RTI are pending across various level. So 24 out of 155 seats are vacant with respect to SIC and CIC. In 97% of the cases, CIC and SIC fail to impose any fine on PIO. They fail to impose any fine on PIO if information is not provided timely. So they have 2.1 lakh cases and 24 out of 155 and 97% cases. तो ये तीन याद रखना है. So what are the issues in the RTI implementation? तो यहाँ पे डिमांड साइड इशू है, कुछ सप्लाई साइड इशूज़ हैं, कुछ CIC SI में इशू है. एक तो देर इज़ अ लेस अवेयरनेस अमंग द पीपल. डिमांड साइड में अवेयरनेस ही नहीं है कि हमें इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए. देन कॉम्प्लेक्स प्रोसीजर है, कॉम्प्लेक्स प्रोसीजर, ईजी प्रोसीजर नहीं है. देन लैक ऑफ असिस्टेंट नहीं है किस तरीके से आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन मांगनी है. एंड नॉन फ्रेंडली एटीट्यूड ऑफ ऑफिसर्स. नॉन फ्रेंडली एटीट्यूड ऑफ PIO एटीट्यूड फ्रेंडली नहीं रखते व्हेन यू आस्क फॉर इन्फॉर्मेशन. एंड ऑल्सो पुअर क्वालिटी ऑफ इन्फॉर्मेशन. डिमांड साइड में पुअर क्वालिटी, अगर इन्फॉर्मेशन दे की आती है पुअर क्वालिटी की होती है. देन सप्लाई साइड, फेलियर टू प्रोवाइड इन्फॉर्मेशन इन 30 days. देन सेक्शन 4(1) सबक्लॉज B, प्रोएक्टिव डिस्क्लोजर नॉट यूज्ड कंप्लीटली इन स्प्रिट. प्रोएक्टिव डिस्क्लोजर नहीं होता. एंड पब्लिक इन्फॉर्मेशन ऑफिसर दे आर पुअरली ट्रेंड नहीं किया था, पुअरली ट्रेंड. एंड देयर इज अ लैक ऑफ बिहेवियरल behavioral friend feeling. So lack of behavioral training, BT भी देनी चाहिए, behavioral training नहीं होती है. A poor record management सही नहीं होता, there is a poor record management. So independence of CICN, अभी CICSI में क्या हुआ है कि it has been hampered by the RTI Amendment Act of 2019. So the perks and the salary and the terms can be changed by the central government, and vacancies up to 30%. There's a perception that CIC and SIC are lenient towards PIO. तो 97% time fine impose नहीं किया गया था. The leniency of the CIC and SIC for the PIO. So Official Secret Act 1923, certain section of information cannot be disclosed in the name of security of interest of the state. And so Official Secret Act यहाँ पे क्या है, dealing with the things that is dealing with the espionage, sedition and other assault of the unity of integrity of the nation. So Civil Services Conduct Rule 1964 prohibits the communication of official document to anyone without authorization. You cannot communicate the official document to anyone without authorization. So Civil Service Conduct Rule, which prohibits the communication of official document to anyone without authorization. So there is a Indian Evidence Act of 1870 prohibits the giving the evidence of the unpublished document. अगर unpublished कोई document है, ठीक है, you cannot publish it without the permission of the head department. You can publish it without the permission of head department. तो सेकेंड ARC ने क्या बोला, ऑफिशियल रिपील द ऑफिशियल सीक्रेट एक्ट एंड रिकमेंड किया ओथ ऑफ सीक्रेसी है उसको चेंज करने वाला ओथ ऑफ ट्रांसपेरेंसी. तो ओथ ऑफ सीक्रेसी जो लेते हैं, जो मिनिस्टर्स लेते हैं, उसको चेंज करना चाहिए था ओथ ऑफ ट्रांसपेरेंसी. So Lincoln ने बोला था let the people know and the country will be safe. So it was said by Lincoln, let the people know and the country will be safe. By Lincoln, let the people know and country will be safe.